Summertime is approaching and your girl is about to put y'all on. You're about to learn how to do a 360 invisible part quick weave for all my girlies who's tired of their tracks showing with their thin fine hair. These are some 3C48 Mongolian bundles and I got 20, 22, and 24. They cost $172. This quick weave base is different than anything I've ever done. I'm going to be protecting my hair in 3 layers. Starting with the first layer using this black jelly. I have a ton of videos out on my playlist for those that have questions. This does protect your hair, but I'm also going to be using a stocking cap as well. I just put that all over my braids and blow dried that dry for 10 minutes. And now we're going for my favorite liquid adhesive from Bold Hold. This is the Bold Hold Liquid Gold, and this is actually really good for holding down your ball cap. So I figured I would just create my own little ball cap against the hair glue. The black jelly and this liquid adhesive both wash out with water, so the takedown on this is definitely simple and easy. I'm just gonna seal everything in with this wig grip hairspray, and this quick weave base is ready to go. So off camera, I did co-wash these bundles. I used some silicone mix and a Denman brush using my Salon Pro 30-second hair glue. It's my fave. I'm gonna start with using the 20-inch bundle in the back and work my way up all the way to the 24-inch. The 20-inch bundle goes all the way halfway to my head, and y'all can see me tugging on this quick weave and it is not moving. I went in with my second bundle in 22 inches and I did mark where I wanted my bundles to go up to because we are going to be doing another invisible part again. Using only one of the 24-inch bundle, I did cut pieces and started to apply them on my invisible part. You just want to apply them and making sure that they are close as possible to each other, and this is going to create an invisible part. So when we part our hair and we want to wear our hair curly, even when that water touches my hair, my parting is still going to look full. I will be having a YouTube video in more detail, so definitely check out that YouTube video when it drops next week. To seal off my invisible part and really hold it in place, I'm using this spritz, and I am actually going to try this spritz for my lace as well. Girl, that part is stiff and stuck and ain't going nowhere. I just took out my braids all around and oh my gosh, are y'all seeing the same video that I'm seeing? This method is giving middle part, it's giving pull over, it's giving high ponytail. I can wear this hair in any style I choose. The one thing I can't stand with curly hair is the shedding, and this hair definitely is very minimal. I brushed out my entire head and this is all the hair that came out. I definitely can't wait to show you guys my new defined curly method, but y'all gonna have to wait until part 2 because this video is long enough. Bye y'all.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys hairstyles you could do for summer, for holidays, and for day outs in this hot weather that we are currently in. But I hope you guys enjoy this.
It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Chase beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an episode how we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. I think I need you here. I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views on a night day. All I wanna hear is an visions how we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel.
something with my hair. Like, I had to leave. I had somewhere to be. But this hairstyle took literally not even 20 minutes. So let's do my hair together. So first, I'm slicking my hair back with some product. And if I'm slicking my hair back, I'm using Got2b. It's gonna do it for me every time. Disclaimer, I didn't have any hair at my house, but I found this matted mess in my closet. And I was like, we can low-key do something with this. So I'm just sectioning some of these pieces off, and we're gonna throw this to the side. Because first and foremost, we're gonna get into these edges. I am in my dramatic edges era right now. Like, I just love some curly dramatic edges. Like, it just brings the whole hairstyle together for me. So we're just gonna do an extended braid. Super easy, super quick. So I'm just adding in pieces that I just sectioned out, and I'm just braiding it into my hair. And that little curly piece at the top, we're not gonna talk about it because it's at the back of my head. Out of sight, out of mind. Anyway, I'm just braiding all the way down to the bottom. And once I got to these ends, they were super puffy and matted, but I made it work. And here's the finished result. I like it. It was super cute, super simple. I'll definitely come back to this hairstyle. Bye, thanks for watching.
Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. This girl is always featured in my compilations because her hair is just so lovely and her hairstyles always bang. But I will see you guys in the next one, and don't forget to leave your recommendations in the comment section. Bye.